Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to create these rosette stars. You do not need a die or really any fancy equipment, just basically a scoring board, a scoring tool, scissors, and adhesive, and of course some paper. So if you want to see how I made these, just keep watching. To begin, you will need a piece of scrap paper that is cut to 10.5 inches long by 2 inches wide, and then you will place it on your scoring board and score it every 1/4 of an inch the entire length down. So once you have your piece of paper all scored at every 1/4 of an inch, you want to count up 4 score marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a fold like that. Take your scissors and you want to cut from this folded point right here to about halfway down. Like so. And then you'll be left with something that looks like this. Go ahead and trim along this score line where your cut ends. So you will end up with something that looks like that. And then you will start the process over. So you'll count up 4 score lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold over in half. Cut from the folded corner side back down to where your last cut mark left off. Like that. Go ahead and trim off this little bit. And just continue repeating the process. Fold over at the 4th score mark. Cut at an angle. Like so. And then trim off. That. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll repeat one more time. And then at this point, since you've reached the end, just go ahead and continue this cut all the way down at that same angle. So you should end up with a piece of paper that looks something like this. And then at this point, go ahead and make all of your accordion folds. And at this point, you could go ahead and heat up your hot glue gun, but today I'm not going to be using a hot glue gun. I'm just going to be using the Tombow Mono Multi XL liquid glue, as well as some of the Tombow Extreme tabs, mainly because I'm impatient and I don't feel like waiting for my hot glue gun thing and all that. So over here on the shorter end, you want to go ahead and apply some of your adhesive. Like that. Make a circular kind of shape out of it and press down so that you have kind of a ring of paper going on. And then I will set this aside to dry for just a moment, and I will grab a scrap piece of paper and a 1.5 inch circle punch, and then this will help hold the front and the back side of our star rosette closed. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the extreme tabs out as well, just so I have everything ready. And I might use a little bit more of this glue, so I'm gonna set that out too. All right, so you have something that looks like this. It looks like a little crown. It's super cute. Of course, you could leave it like that, put it on a cat or something. I don't know, but we're gonna make a star rosette out of it. So with the pointy bits touching your work surface, you want to gather the flat edge and kind of fiddle with it and work it till you can push it down, and then you will end up with a shape like that. Grab one of your tabs. I just like to stick it right on the end, push down pretty good, flip it over, put another tab on there. These are really easy to peel the backing off of. And then with one of these circles that I punched out just a moment ago, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more adhesive on that. Flip it over, and then that will help hold the back of our star. Once it's dry, press down a bit more, peel off the other one, same kind of thing. Press that down in the center, like so. And then there is the star rosette. Now you can leave it with the slightly rounded sides if you want, kind of like I did with this one. Or you can take a pair of scissors and carefully cut the little curved bits off so that it's more of a straight sided star. So it's up to you. Now mine are a little bit on the larger side, but you can definitely size them down. I've made some using strips of scrapbook paper that are 10.5 inches long by 3/4 of an inch wide. So you could make them like really small, so where they're about the size of this center circular area, or you can make them bigger. It just really depends on how wide the strip of paper is. So the wider that you make your strip of paper, the bigger your stars will be. I hope you enjoyed this. Please make sure to subscribe if you are not already. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!